Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a very quick and easy install with Beautyforeverhair. This is a 26-inch 150 density lace front wig. It is curly hair. The hair is so soft. I just put water on this hair. I did put this wig a bit, customize it, give it some baby hair. And I will show you how to do all of that in this video, you guys. So if you like what you see, want to see this install, keep watching.
So and sad. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. In my essays, I need the boot. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slop the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I got her open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
How can I love somebody else if I can't love myself enough to know when it's time to let go? Sing all I really want, yeah. Be happy, okay. Love that's mine. Be so sweet. All I really want is to be happy. I wanna be happy. Love that's mine. Be so sweet. I ask for a sign from a sweet Lord above. I know the answer is in front of me, but when you think you're in love, you only see what you wanna see, and all I see is me for you and you for me. All I really want is to be happy. Okay. Love that's mine. Be so sweet. All I really want is to be happy. I wanna be happy. Love that's mine. Be so sweet.
Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a white man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Something about that work, 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 work. Nah, nah.
you see is true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel you see me, I feel you see me coming da. So me better when you walk out la. When the girl from my da.
Call me on my stuff phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my stuff phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when I'm lit.
And that pretty much wraps it up for the video, you guys. This is a completed look with curly hair. It gets really big and poofy, so I try to keep a water bottle on me so it could stay looking like this. But yeah, thank you Beautyforeverhair for sending me this 26-inch wig, 150 density, period.